Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? All are fine? Okay. So, just now you have completed first periodic test. है ना? And you have submitted your answer sheet. And as the paper will check, I will return. And now I'm going to start Geography Chapter 7, Our Country, India. Geography Chapter 7, Our Country, India. So here I am reading and explaining also. India is a vast land with immense geographical and cultural variation. It is an ancient land with a rich culture. The Indus Valley Civilization, one of the four earliest river valley civilization in the world, thrived here more than 4,000 years ago. So, India is a vast land. Vast land means very big land. India has a very big area with geographical means different landforms. What are the different landforms? Different landforms are mountain, plateaus, plains, hills, rivers, desert and coastline. All these are known as the landforms, and these landforms are called geographical variation and cultural variation also. Cultural means different culture. Hindu culture, Jain culture, Muslim culture, Buddhism, Jainism, all. So, India is a vast land with immense geographical and cultural variation. And it is an ancient land. Ancient means very, very old with a rich culture. The Indus Valley Civilization, one of the four earliest river valley civilization in the world. Here the civilization means, what is the meaning of civilization? Civilization means the society developed, the society which is developed with the with that proper settlement and the proper discoveries and the proper uh, facilities. So civilization means grew or developed. Okay. So here the Indus Valley civilization is one of the four earliest river valley is found in India. So what were the four earliest river valley? The four earliest river valley civilization were Chinese civilization, Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamia civilization and Indus Valley civilization. So this Indus Valley civilization is found in India, and this is due more than 4,000 years ago. And this Indus Valley civilization grew 4,000 years ago. And in India, towering mountains, extensive plains and plateaus, rivers, desert and long coastline make up the diverse landscape of this land. So India has towering mountains. Towering mountains means very high mountains. Some of the name of the mountains are Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Dhaulagiri, Nanga Parvat and Nanda Devi. All these are the name of mountains. And extensive plains. Extensive plains means very fertile plains. Extensive plains means very fertile plains and plateaus. Plains like a northern plains and the plateau is the Deccan Plateau, Aravalli Plateau. All these are found in India. Now rivers. Many rivers are found in India. Some of the famous rivers are Ganga, Brahmaputra, Yamuna, Narmada, Godavari, Tapti, many rivers are found in India. And desert also, it is found in Rajasthan. The desert name is Thar Desert and it is found in the state of Rajasthan. And the long coastline. India has a long coastline. Why India has a long coastline? Because our country, India is surrounded from three sides by the water bodies, south, east and west. These three direction, south, east and west. From these three sides, the India is surrounded by the water bodies. And all these things make up diverse landscape of this land. The meaning of diverse means being different. All these towering mountains, extensive plains and plateaus, rivers, desert and long coastline, all these things make up our country, diverse country. And this country is also enjoy diverse climatic condition. In India, there is a diverse means different. Place to place, the climatic condition can be different. In northern plains, sometimes there is heavy rainfall, but at the same time in another place there is less rainfall or no rainfall. Like in Meghalaya there is a heavy rainfall, but in Rajasthan there is a less rainfall. So sometimes the climate condition can be different. Sometimes the cold climate and sometimes hot climate. In some area there is a cold climate and at the same time there is summer. So this the people also enjoy this different climatic condition. The north experiences hot summer. At the same time, other part of the country there is no summer. So the north experiences hot summer and the cold winters. In the northern part of India, summer season, summer also very hot and cold also the winter is also very cold. At the same time, while the southern parts of country remain warm throughout the year. At the same time, the southern part of country remain warm throughout the year. So northern part experience hot summer. Hot summer means the northern parts of country, the summers are very hot and the winters are very cold. But at the same time, while the southern part of the country remains warm throughout the year. The diverse in its climatic condition is reflected in rich flora and fauna that is found in India. Okay. So this diversity, this climatic diversity reflect in the flora and fauna. So this diverse climatic condition also affect the flora and fauna. Flora means plant life and fauna means animal life. So this diverse climatic conditions also affect the life of plants and the animals that are found in that particular place. India is spread over an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. So the area of our country is 3.28 million square kilometer. And this area making our country in the 7th largest country in the world, because the area of our country is 3.28 million square kilometer, and this area make our country 7th largest country in the world. Okay, and After China, India is the second most populous country. The first most populous country is China. The first most populous country is China, and after India is the second most populous country in the world with a population of 1.211 billion. It is the census of 2011. Census here, the census means the counting the number of people living in a particular country. Here census. Census means the counting the number of people living in a particular area or particular country. So this counting number of people was in 2011. Now 2020 is going on. So at present the population of India is 135 crores. 135 billion people lived in our country, and it is the largest democracy in the world. What is the meaning of democracy? The meaning of democracy is here the people elect their representatives to govern the country. So India is the largest democracy in the world. Here, what is the meaning of democracy? The meaning of democracy is it is a form of government where the people elect their representative to govern the country. While India accounts for 17.5% of the world's population. Okay, this at present the population of country is the 17.5% of the world population. 17.5% of the world population, and it has only 2.42% of the world total land area. What is the area of our country? The area of our country is 3.28 million square kilometer, and it is the 2.4% of the total land area of the world. Okay, and the population wise, the position of India is the second position, but the population 17.5% of the world, and the land area is 2.42% of the total land area. And India is country that supports a variety of languages. Languages the people speak like Hindi, Urdu, Marathi, Bangla, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Kashmiri, Marathi, and Oriya. All these are the different languages which are spoken in our country, and different races. Races means different caste. The people, different caste people also lived in our country. Different culture. What are the different culture? Like Hinduism, Jainism, culture and religion. These are the religion. Jainism, Buddhism, Hinduism, Sikhism. All these are the different religion people following in our country. However, despite the great diversities of this land, these varieties are found in India, but still people live united. And there are an underlying unity that binds this nation together. All these things make our country united. So in this video, what you studied? In this video, you studied about the different geographical uh, forms or different land forms like plateaus, mountains, plains, and desert, river, all these. And it is one of the, and India has one of the oldest civilization also found, that is Indus Valley civilization, that is found in India. Now after partition, now this Indus Valley civilization is a part of Pakistan. And different towering mountains, name of different mountains: Mount Everest, na, Nanda Devi, Dhaulagiri, Kanchenjunga. So many mountains are found in India. Different plains, northern plains, plateaus, Deccan Plateau, rivers Narmada, Ganga, Kaveri, Godavari, Tapti, desert, Thar desert, and India has a long coastline also. Now different climatic condition also found in India. The north experiences hot summer and the winters are very cold, but in the southern part of country this remain warm throughout the year, and it affect flora and fauna. Flora means plant life and fauna means animal life. And what is the area? The area of our country is 3.28 million square kilometer, and this area make our country seventh largest country in the world. And India has a second most populous country in the world. The first most populous country is China, and India is the second most populous country in the world. And according to the census, according to the counting of the people in 2011, the population of India was 1.211 billion. It is according to the 2011 census. Census means counting the number of people. And India is the largest democracy in the world. Democracy means it is a form of government where the people elect their representative to govern the country. And India accounts for 17.5% of the world's population. Area wise, the total land area is 2.42 percentage, but the population is 17.5 percentage of the world. And India has the people of our country spoke many languages: Marathi, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Kashmiri, Manipuri, so many. And races means different caste: Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, so many. Culture and religions also found in India. After this, there is a great diversities. Diversities means being different. So many diversities are found in India, but the people bind together. They bind this nation together. This shows their unity in diversity. So now your homework, you have to learn glossary. You have to learn glossary first 4. First is, you see in the next page, the last page, there is given the glossary. You learn first 4 glossary. First, flora and fauna. Second, population. And third, subcontinent. and fourth peninsula. So these four you learn. This is the homework. First four word meaning you have to learn. Thank you.